Hey Corey, so you have a 2-point game with a shorthand goal and an assist. What is working for you offensively?
I think I'm just moving my feet, trying to keep things simple, and trying to get pucks on net.
You've got quite a bit of breathing room going into the third. What's the key to finishing strong and winning this game?
Yeah, I think we just got to keep it simple. We've been on the losing end of some tight games so far, so get a win and keep it simple here.
Walk us through that last goal and how it was set up.
Just a great pass by Jack there. He found the seam, and honestly, I was looking for a stick, and I think it just kind of kicked the goalie a little bit.
So what led to the fast start tonight?
I think it was just kind of building off last night. I think we're confident right now, and we're confident in the guys that are in the lineup each and every night. So I think the message every night is to have a fast start. Try to get on them as soon as possible, and that's what we did.
Hey Rich, so your first goal tonight with the Americans, how awesome was that?
It's a great feeling. Weird that I was playing quarter tonight, but whatever it takes to get a goal, it was nice.
So any chance you want to keep number 28 instead of 21?
I don't know, maybe a good look there. I might have to talk to Tim about that one.
Are you a little superstitious?
I am actually very superstitious, but if you have to go back to 21, it's not a big deal.
Okay, so what's the key to finishing the night strong?
We just got to keep them away from our goal. They get a lot of traffic, and keep them away. We're going to walk away with a win.
Hey Jordan, congrats on getting 3 goals tonight, and not to mention you're the first Allen American to get the hat trick. So what was working for you?
I think our line mates just played really well tonight. Our whole team came out with a big game, so when things are rolling like that, it's easy.
How great was it to get this win after a couple of losses?
It's huge. Obviously, we had our tough last 3 games there, and we rebounded huge.
So what's the mindset? What's the approach going into the game against Wichita again on Tuesday?
Just defense first. Obviously, we have a lot of guys who can score, so taking care of our own end will be huge.
You had a great game tonight on the penalty kill as well as a team. What was clicking for you?
I think just buying in. That's the biggest thing. I think that we take care of our own end, things pay off. So
I'm with Alex here. How big was the win tonight for the team?
Yeah, if you look at the standings, pretty much a first-place game, so it's really nice to get that one, obviously. They were obviously a little bit tired with the 3-3, but those are the games you got to win, and it was nice to get the W for sure.
So how do you take this momentum into Kansas City next week?
Yeah, I think obviously, it's good to get back on the winning track after a tough road trip, but, we go right back on the road, so we got a chance to redeem ourselves, and, it's a good team to play against. We're just going to have to play fast and hard.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Alex.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the heated moments tonight. What's the mindset going in tomorrow after playing this game like this with one guy getting ejected and then several guys getting into fights?
Yeah, I think it's just come out with the same mentality. Obviously, you got to protect your teammates. They had a shot that was late on Sachenko there, so you got to protect him. So same mentality. I think we did a good job getting pucks in net tonight and playing aggressive. So we'll do that again tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll be successful again.
Hey Jordan, so you're down by 2. How are you going to solve the goaltender tonight?
I think we just got to get more pucks to the net. We're doing a good job, but we'll get the bonuses eventually.
So what's the mindset in the locker room? What's the message to the guys?
Just keep doing our thing. Obviously, we came out here and we had 7 last night, so we know we can do it, and just have to have a big third here.
5th goal in the last 4 games. What is clicking for you?
I don't know. That was a great pass by Gopto at the 5-on-3, so I think we'd be expected to score that, but no, I think my line mate's been helping out. Just finding the back of the net, I just got to keep that going, not overthinking things.
The team is leading on shots tonight. What's the key to finishing strong with the win?
Yeah, the goalie's playing well. He's a pretty active goalie, very athletic. We just got to get bodies in front of him and keep shooting the pucks, and hopefully we'll go find the net.
Awesome. Thanks, Jared.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, Alex, you're back tonight from a finger injury. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, the trainer and their team did a good job for me, so I'm feeling pretty good.
So we're back on the board. We're tied up. What needs to happen offensively in the second?
We just need to get more pucks on net and go to the net because the goalie's pretty good on the other side. We need to put body in front of him and I'll go through.
Hey Corey, so you had 2 goals tonight. What was clicking for you?
I just think I got a couple lucky bounces. Our line's been playing really well the last couple of weeks, and we're just starting to get rewarded for that.
I know you're the guy that always gives credit to the teammates, but how exciting was it for you to hit 2 goals tonight to get those on the net?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, anytime you can have some personal success, it's nice, but getting the win's the most important thing. Yeah.
Hey Nick, so you've been out with a concussion. How great does it feel to be back on the ice tonight?
Feels good. Feels good to just be back with the boys and playing a game I love. And it's long, 2.5 weeks out. And miss the guys. guys, so I'm glad to be back.
So there's been a lot of back and forth action tonight in the first period. What needs to happen defensively?
I think we need to just lock it down, help our goalie out a little bit more. He's been making some big saves for us. And I think just controlling the puck in the offensive zone. We don't have to play defensive a lot, so get back to our game in the second period.
Thanks so much, Nick.
Thank you.
The team is making the most of opportunities tonight. There have been a ton of shots on net. What can we expect to see in the second period?
Just better defensive play. Obviously, we're going to have too many shots here. Can't have that. So just a better defensive effort.
Hey, Jake, you had a great game. You saved 30 shots on net. How exciting was it tonight just to be back out there?
I think it was good. I think just as a team, we obviously want to get back in the win column. So, it was a good win for us, and we're right back out on Tuesday.
Brett, tell us about your favorite Halloween costume.
I think when I was little, I was Dash from The Incredibles.
I would have to say it was when I was 17. I dressed up as a full golden retriever, so it was a pretty good costume.
All right, what about your favorite Halloween candy?
Sour Skittles.
Reese's Cups.
Who would be considered Frankenstein on your team?
Oh, definitely Salvaggio. That's an easy one.
Probably Salvaggio, I'd say, yeah.
Salvaggio. Y'all are just throwing him under the bus today.
Yeah, he's a pretty easy target.
We're going to play a little game called Famous Christmas Lines. I'm going to say a Christmas line from a Christmas movie, and he's going to try to guess it. All right, so here's our first one. Keep the change, you filthy animal.
I know that one. That's got to be Home Alone.
That's right, Home Alone. All right, the next one. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
That's Will Ferrell. It's got to be the movie Elf.
All right, there you go. Pretty good at this. All right, the next one is you'll shoot your eye out.
Ooh, I think it's the one with the guy gets that BB one. Maybe, I think it's called The Christmas Story.
That's right. There you go. All right. Okay, this one's kind of hard. Look, Daddy, teacher says anytime a bell rings, an angel gets their wings.
Oh, man. I don't know. Might need some help from the audience, but...
Phone a friend?
Yeah, but I'd guess maybe Elf again, but I have no idea.
No, it's actually A Wonderful Life, but good guess. All right, the last one is God bless us, everyone.
Nope, got nothing there, so I think I went 3 for 5 there.
It's A Christmas Carol. Thanks so much for your time.